everyone, welcome back to another slow fashion video. Before jumping in, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who came to the live Shop Your Closet event. If you missed it, no worries, there will be another one and I will leave a little sign up link in the description box below so you can find out when the next event is. Okay, today, jumping into today's video, I will be styling a pair of faux leather leggings a whole bunch of different ways. That's right. To be honest, I can't believe I'm even styling these on the channel, let alone like that I owned a pair. I've never been a leggings person, but apparently this is what a global pandemic will do. It will make you try new things in terms of loungewear. So I've actually been loving these faux leather leggings that I found secondhand at the end of last year. I wear them like once or twice a week. I will be styling them as many different ways as I can through as many seasons as I can, but I'm not going to make them something they're not. And I always will try to create outfits that have different elements of style in them. I really try to make every outfit unique and a combination of different styling elements like texture and color and style vibe so that you can take those elements and translate them easily into your closet at home. So with that being said, let's jump on into these faux leather leggings a whole bunch of different ways.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind downtown skyline. Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just see the way like woo, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh, oh. Keep it moving, yeah, yeah. Just keep pushing, nah, nah, nah. Keep it moving, yeah, yeah. Keep it moving, yeah, yeah.
So that is what I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have a favorite outfit or if you've started to wear leggings or something similar that you didn't think you would love or wear so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or if you learned something new. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be back with another slow fashion video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Ciao!